Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell icon to get the instant notifications of every video that I upload. So hey there guys, welcome back to another episode of Unity tutorials, and in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to see how to switch weapons. So if you can see already, I have two weapons in here and the setup is completely different from the last time, and the reason is that I had to reset this computer. It was lagging. I'm sorry, what the hell is wrong with me? It was lagging too much, and the reason was too many files, so I had to uninstall everything and reinstall everything, which is important. So yeah, I'm sorry for that. And as you can see that we have started following a new algorithm that is 2 videos per month. So that's gonna be it for a few months, and after that we'll see after that. So before starting the video, I'll tell you what we're going to do in the next video. In the next video what we're going to do is we're going to see how to enter the vehicles in Unity, and the script again will be down below in the description, and all the scripts that I have used are down below in the description, so make sure to check out the description for the scripts. And so now, as you can see that inside of my main camera, here is this weapon holder thingy which holds these 3 objects. One is AK-47, which has the shooting script and the fire sound script, and if I disable it, you can see there is this another gun which is M4A1. It also has its shooting script and the fire sound script. Now to do this, you don't need to do anything. You just go ahead and watch the first episode, and there you'll learn how to get this shooting done inside here. The script for shooting and all the scripts again are down below in the description, so make sure to check out the description. And so yeah, so you gotta make 2 guns instead of 1 in here, and the third object is holster or no gun, so that you can walk without gun. Now what should we do to switch between all these weapons? So you gotta take this weapon switch script and put it upon your weapon holder. Once it's done, make sure both 3 of these objects are enabled, so that there is no confusion between that. And once done, just go ahead and hit play. All links to follow me on social media are given down below, so make sure to check out the description. So as you can see, we are here with AK-47. By scrolling the mouse wheel up or down, you can switch between these. So now we are on M4A1, and again after the scrolling we are here holstered. So let us try and shoot. So as you can see, we can shoot with AK-47. We can shoot with M4A1, so we can shoot with these. Yeah, so I think this is working pretty well. Here's this holster, we can rock with it, and we can rock with our gun. We can walk with our second gun. I'm sorry, I have watched too much of the Walmart yodeling kid. This is it for this episode. Make sure to leave a like if you like that, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell icon so that you never miss another notification from Ishaan Kharadkar. This is me. I'm sorry, I went into my flow. If I wasn't audible, make sure to click on the captions, closed captions, that is the CC option down in your settings, near the quality settings somewhere. Okay, and yeah, make sure to check out the description for all the links to download and follow me. So yeah, with the being said, I'm Ishaan Kharadkar. Make sure to subscribe PewDiePie. I love PewDiePie. So with that being done, I'm Ishaan and I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye.